Apple might be working on its first ever touchscreen MacBook. It looks like it may rely on the current high-end M5 chips to power it. According to a new report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple plans to equip the touchscreen MacBook Pro with the M5 Pro and Max chips instead of going with its upcoming base M6 silicone. However, aside from the touchscreen, there are a couple of long-awaited upgrades on deck, like an OLED display and a new industrial design. The reason for going with the M5 series is that Apple's planning to skip M6 Pro and M6 chips altogether. Instead, the company is said to be focusing on fast-tracking AI features to its upcoming M7 lineup, which will be the next with Pro, Max, and eventually Ultra options. Apple plans to launch the base M7 in the first half of next year, with the M7 Pro and Max set to arrive by the end of 2027, with an M7 Ultra in the cards for 2028. Still, there's plenty to look forward to as Apple finally brings a touchscreen to the MacBook years after its competitors offered them across Windows laptops. Small hints about the touchscreen MacBook were quickly found in Mac OS Golden Gate after the initial beta version entered developers' hands after WWDC 2026. Those include references to pull to refresh and a Siri interface that looks like the dynamic island on the iPhone. The touchscreen MacBook Pro models may come in both 14-inch and 16-inch. OLED would also be a first for MacBook models, catching them up with Windows PCs that have offered the tech for years. But there are still several months to wait and see if all of the rumors and leaks surrounding the touchscreen MacBook Pro are actually true. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.